Hello everyone, welcome back to this live stream. Today is the final part, and what we are going to do today is finish the animation of these characters that we have started here during this live stream. We have only the animation of Naruto to complete today, so it's gonna be very fast. Last time we ended with the eyes animation, so we just need to color the missing parts, and we will just like export the different parts of the characters in order to prepare the composition. So what I'm gonna do right now is that I will just color this part. As you can see, I'm resuming from the last video, from where I stopped. So all I have to do here is to complete the coloring of this part. I'm on the proper layer, so I just need to copy the colors and add them on this one. It's gonna be very easy and fast. So I'll do the black, and then after that I will just copy the gray. Like this. Also the left eye, and basically that's all. I need the skin shade here, and the other one like that. I need to color the eyes background, and I need to make some corrections, so I will use the anime lasso fill, and I will complete the process like that. Okay, just to fill the blank parts. That's basically all we need to do. So as you can see, we are working on Clip Studio Paint. If you have missed the previous parts, we have cleaned up. This was originally drawn on paper, but cleaned up on Clip Studio Paint. I missed the eyebrows. Okay. I guess I missed something. I'm just checking because I think I made some shades, but it's like it's okay. Yes. Hi Trafalgar, how are you? Okay, I'm busy. I'm going back to this one. Okay. And here I will end up with the closed eyes. Yes. Okay. Oops. All right. I finish coloring this part. Okay. After that, I will just apply the lasso fill here because of the... Okay. Now we're good. I think it's completely done. So what I need to do now is to put back the strokes. For each part. And remove the others. So here we're done, here we're done. And here also, where are we? We're here. I just need to remove the colored lines. And I will put back the body colors here. Okay. And I guess we're good. Just to make sure that we have all the layers colored properly, I will just apply again the red background on the red background color. So to do that, I will go back to this layer here in at the bottom, and I will just change the color. I will make it like, I will use a vivid color to make sure that it will be visible if ever there's something. So here I will use a red like that. Okay, so now I will just like make a, it's just like a quality control between the different frames to make sure that everything is fine. Okay, so here I forgot to remove the colored strokes. Okay, and I will monitor the difference. So I will start with Naruto. So just apply the full screen, just to make sure that there is no like hole in the coloring. Okay. Okay, and then I will move on the body. Okay. It seems to be okay. And now I will go to Gara. It seems there is no hole. And I will go to Sasuke. There is a problem on Naruto, so I need to fix it. I have to go on Naruto's body. I will deactivate these lines, and I will fix the color gap here. Okay, now we're good. Then I have one more here. I'm missing some colors. Okay. So now that we are good, if you see any other hole, let me know. Alright, after that I will just put back the strokes, and I will go to Sasuke. So for Sasuke, no problem here. In the eyes there is no problem too. Okay, second frame. Alright, it seems to be okay. Okay, so now that we are done with that, what I will do is that I will just hide this layer, and what I will do is that I will separate the different characters and the different parts of their body and export them into a folder, into a dedicated folder. So I will do the compositing into Anime Studio, because I want a camera, I want a very slight camera movement for them. I mean, for the scene. So what I'm gonna do is very easy. I will just separate. I will start with Naruto. So I will just hide the eyes, and I will hide also Sasuke and Gaara. Okay. And also I want his full body. So what I will do is that I will just I will try something first. I will just try to export to see if I have everything. I'll try a PNG. I will try a PNG. I want to see if it's gonna export everything. So I will try to export on the desktop for now. Just to see. Okay, and output preview rendering result on output. Output image. Okay. Scale ratio. Okay. Alright, I don't know if it will export the part that is hiding. It seems to be okay. Yeah, it seems that it's exporting everything. I will just make sure by exporting. Okay, now let's see. I'm checking. I will just check if it exported everything. Alright, everything was exported. Good. So all we need to do is to go back and export in the proper folder. I will use PNG. It's gonna be easier. Animation Naruto. Okay, I will just go to prepare a new folder for that. Alright, Naruto, and I will just create a new folder. Okay, I will create another folder. Body. And this one will be Naruto body. Okay. Okay. Yes. All right. I will just keep a monitoring here. It's here, Naruto, sports, Naruto, body. Okay, I got it here. Then I will move on with the eyes, with the mouth. First is this one. So I will export his mouth. So document. Of course, this process is not really what I usually do. It's just because I want to make a composition on the and to animate on Anime Studio. Naruto body, and I will create a folder. Mouth, and this one will be 1. Okay. Okay, second one. Okay, number 2. I don't know why it's always using the folder that I don't want, but basically you understood the process. Naruto exports Naruto, it's number 2. And the third one. Okay, so I basically have to do that for all the different layers if I want to make it like if I wanted to make something that is very accurate. So I'm gonna do that for all layers, and after I will just compose the scene on Anime Studio. Okay, so now I'm done with the mouth. I will move on with the eyes. New folder for the eyes, and this one will be number 1. Okay, number 2. And so on. Anyway, this was just a quick update because I was not able to finish last time, and if ever you have questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments section. It's just because last time I was not able to finish on live stream, so I wanted to finish it, and now we reached the end, even if it was very short. But still, I wanted to finish. Of course, I will compose the animation. I will try to make it live so that it's more interesting, and you have a better view of the composition process. But right now, it's just because I wanted to show every steps. So this one is also part of the process that I wanted to show. That's why I prefer to show it on live, because I didn't want to skip one part of the process. But anyway, I will just finish with Naruto, and I will do the other characters offline. And next time I will go. I will stream the composition process that I will make on Moho or Clip Studio. But for now, it's just what I will just do is repeat the same action for the other characters. So now that I'm done with Naruto, I will move on with Sasuke. But I will do that offline, and I guess I will come back tomorrow for the next part. And because right now it doesn't it's not very interesting to watch me doing that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and if you like these live streams, just subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to visit me on Twitter and Patreon. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.